Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing our weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames. Now US30 on a weekly time frame, after making a break and close below this major key level and after finding support at this key level, which again had multiple major retest points, in this week US30 went for some deeper pullback with this bullish momentum coming all the way up to make a retest on that very key level which it made a breakout of. Now while retesting this major key level, US30 is also making a retest on a newly formed downtrend line which looks something like this. Now US30 is currently making a retest on this downtrend line and also this key level over here. So if US30 is to continue to respect this downtrend line, then it should respect this high or this key level as its resistance and continue pushing down from here. A break and close above this key level or this high that US30 made over here is gonna be it's gonna result in the breakout of this downtrend line over here and US30 to shift from this downtrend move towards the newly formed uptrend move over here. If that is to happen, and if US30 does continue to respect this downtrend line and continues to push down with further bearish momentum, then this is the next key level, and this is the next key level where we expect US30 to continue pushing down to in respect to this bearish trend, creating new lower low, since those key level has this multiple major retest points and pretty obvious for US30 to continue pushing down to. And if US30 does make a breakout of this downtrend line and also this previous week's high over here with further bullish momentum, then these are the two next key level where we expect US30 to continue pushing up to making a breakout of this downtrend move over here. Now if we break this chart into even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then you can see this beautiful downtrend channel that US30 is currently moving in respect to, which you saw also about this downtrend line in the weekly time frame. Now while moving in respect to this downtrend channel, we have our support right around here at this key level and also our resistance at this key level to this key level, which is this area over here. Now for us to look for trades on the upcoming week on the bullish side, we need US30 to make a break and close above this area of resistance with further bullish momentum, making a breakout of this downtrend channel as well. And for us to look for trades on the short side on a higher time frame point of view as well, we need US30 to make a break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum while respecting this area as its resistance to move in respect to this downtrend channel over here. Now if we go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, now we can see the same key levels and zones and also the same downtrend channel over here. So on the upcoming week, if US30 continues to respect this area as its resistance, then it would also be respecting this downtrend channel as well. And in that case, we could start to look for trades on the short side. Now the way we're going to be looking for short trades on US30, if that's the case, is that if when US30 does make a retest on this key level, then we could either look for an impulse short entry over here by setting your stop loss some pips above over here to not get stopped out by some fake out moves, in hopes of US30 continuing to push down in respect to this downtrend channel move over here to create new lower low on a higher time frame point of view. But if you want to add more confirmations on your trade, then you can wait for some sort of strong support to be formed after US30 makes a retest on this key level or at this area. You can wait for some strong support to be formed on a shorter time frame around this area, and then you can look for trades after the break and close below that support zone happens with further bearish momentum, hoping US30 is continuing this bearish run over here. But if you want to add even more confirmations and don't want to take such impulse entries, then the best way for you to look for trades would be to see if US30 continues to respect this area as its resistance and makes a break and close below this low or these key levels over here with further bearish momentum. In that case, if US30 does make a break and close below this key level while respecting these highs, this downtrend channel, then US30 would be continuing to push down in respect to this downtrend channel. And after that break and close does happen on a shorter time frame like a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame, and it forms some structure, then you can look for trades on the breakout of some structure with further bearish momentum in hopes of US30 continuing to push down in respect to this downtrend channel to create a new lower low to make a retest on this key level or all the way towards this key level which you saw on the weekly time frame right around here and right around here, which again has multiple major retest points, as you can see over here. If it makes a break and close below this week's previous low over here, that would be even safer entry for you. But however, if US30, instead of doing all these things, if US30 even makes a break and close above this key level, then it would be a breakout of this possible downtrend channel that US30 is currently moving in respect to. And in that case, you can start to look for trades on the long side in hopes of US30 coming to retest this key level. And if it even makes a break and close above that key level, then US30 might continue pushing up towards this next key level over here. That's how you can start to look for further long trades on US30. Now this is the key level which we talked about on the weekly time frame, right around here, over here, with multiple major retest points. And if that happens, then US30 could be shifting from this downward move towards this uptrend move, continuing this bullish run over here. And this break and close move could be a fake out move over here if US30 does make a break and close above this previous week's high with further bullish momentum, making a breakout of this downtrend line over here. So let's see how US30 reacts towards this support and resistance zone, and then look for trades after that break and close happens to look for trades on a higher time frame point of view. So that's my analysis on US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the description as well, so you can see where all these key levels, trend lines, trend channels, and all these things are. So if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on US30.